Welcome to Love Cars, where we delve into the world of Bugatti. The challenge isn't purchasing a Bugatti, it's maintaining it. An oil change costs as much as a vehicle. Owning a luxury car, such as a Bugatti, may appear to be the ultimate automotive ambition, but for most individuals, it remains an unfulfilled dream. Let's analyze the numbers and the factors driving these extremely high costs. The cost of an oil change for this high-performance supercar is a staggering $25,000, enough to buy a dependable family SUV. What drives the high cost of oil changes? Bugatti's intricate engineering provides the answer. Unlike standard vehicles, which have straightforward oil change procedures, the Veyron's maintenance requires mechanics to remove 16 oil drain plugs, in addition to the rear wheels, brakes, and fender liners. If you considered $25,000 for an oil change to be excessive, prepare yourself for the broader maintenance picture. The cost of a new set of wheels for a Bugatti is approximately $38,000, while replacing tires may cost around $50,000. Bugatti recommends undergoing comprehensive maintenance services every 15,000 kilometers or annually, whichever occurs first. These expenses can accumulate substantially over time. Bugatti is not the only one pushing the boundaries of high maintenance costs. Possessing a hypercar like a Bugatti or Ferrari goes beyond sheer wealth. It's about unshakable commitment. These cars represent the pinnacle of automotive design and engineering, but they also come with obligations that greatly exceed those of ordinary vehicles. Please subscribe and tune in to the next video.